Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will be discussing about keyword research, how we can do keyword research in 5 to 10 minutes. Literally it will take 5 to 10 minutes if you guys will have some practice in it. So today we have chosen a marketplace which is in UK, and I have already typed a keyword named as pizza peel. Okay, we will run keyword. We will run helium 10 X-ray. Okay, I have already run the X-ray of helium 10. We will recommend you to use helium 10 as it shows, the result up to 99% correct. Okay, after all of your results has been clear, showing us the search volume, the number of key brands, and all this. The first and the most important thing is that we have to filter the results, and we have to filter it like we have to hide the sponsor products from the result. Sorry. Okay. After after we have just filtered the sponsored products, we will just sort the products with sales because we need to do the keyword research of the competitors who are getting good sales. If they are getting good sales, then it means they have just placed some good keywords in their listings. So we will grab their keywords. Okay, we will sort out. Okay. And after that we have to just see the which product is same like us. Okay, for example, we see that okay, we are just saying that this is our product, we will select this. Okay, pizza peel aluminium metal, and it is getting 1000 sales, which are very great sales. And these sales are last 30 days sales. Okay, we will just select 10 ASINs. I'm just selecting a random data because as this is just to guide you guys that how you can work. Okay, okay. We have selected 10 rows. Okay, we will run Cerebro. We'll open a new tab and let's hope for the best. Okay, now the data is being loaded and it's loading everything. Please, it will take some couple of time and it depends on your internet speed. Okay. Uh, let's see, the data is being sorted, uh, is being collected by Helium, and we will sort it for, we will just see that what is the highest keyword search volume. Okay, you know, look at this, these are not our keywords. Okay, please bear in mind that you have to follow some filters and you have to 500 minimum search volume. Okay, and after that you have to choose the match type. A match type should be only organic keywords because we only need organic keywords. We don't need Amazon sponsored keywords. We don't need Amazon recommended. The only keywords we need is organic, which are organically used by these competitors, and on which competitors are also on ranking. Okay. After that, please just apply the filter and see. Okay. Now it is showing me 256 keywords, and there were a lot of keywords. There were almost 8,196 keywords, and in which there were 2,715 were organic. So also you can see that we have organic keywords which are 256 keywords. We will export the file and we will save it as XLSX file. Okay, the file is being downloaded. We will just open it. Okay. After that, we have to uh, enable editing. After enable editing, we will move to the column B. We will press Control minus. Okay, it will delete the complete row. We have to use search volume. Okay, we have to tell this one. We have to tell position rank. Okay, Control minus. Okay, relative rank. We don't need this. Okay, Control minus. Okay, look there. Okay, look there. There are almost one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. And there is the 10th ASIN. So we have to find out that 10th ASIN. So we will just go back to our Cerebro. We will just copy our first ASIN, or we can copy that ASIN as well, or we will just put it over there as well. If you don't able to find that, there will be a file name. Look at here, in the upper corner of the file there is also the ASIN. Okay, so after that we need to add some new column. Control Shift plus. Okay, it will be added, and we have to type it in their relevancy. Okay. Okay. Now just count how many ASINs are there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. In relevancy, there we will put another formula which will be equal to count if. We will double tap it. We will select first, first ASINs. After, and we will press Shift and front arrow. Okay. We will add comma. We will add two columns and less than 30. Okay, less than 30. There should be a question on your mind that what is less than 30. Well, less than 30 mean that we need the keyword. Less than 30 mean that if we suppose that there are almost, let me just show you. If there are, we just suppose that there are, you know, five 50 almost results are showing up there. So we need to find out that if we are seeing the keywords, and how many keywords are ranked on 30, top 30 keywords. So we will press enter. See, we will just double click on that corner and look. There are a lot of keywords which don't have any relevancy. Okay. After moving to relevancy, we will click on C, and we can there is a short key, Control Shift L. If you don't remember this key, you can simply click on C column and you can go to sort and filter option. After where you have to add filter, just click on it, and you will sort from largest to smallest. So we want to have some of the highly ranked. Okay. So after it was showing, as it was showing, almost 256 sorry, 57 keywords. Okay, we will have to remove the irrelevant keywords which don't are more relevant, because we have uh, high relevant keyword which have 8. Okay, we will remove 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we will press OK. So we will have to press 3 because keywords are becoming so less. It's the lemon. To, so we should have some keywords which are highly relevant, but if they don't have any search volume, like they have search volume less than five, greater than, there should be keywords which have search volume more than 500, but they should be relevant. Okay, press OK, and after that we have keywords. So seems like we have to press one also. See how many we have got. Okay, we have 20 keywords. Okay. After checking on each keyword, you have to see that is there any brand keyword. If there isn't any, then it means that your keywords are great. Okay, so we need to find out that if uh, this states that pizza peel is ranked on this ASIN, and this ASIN is showing, if you will put pizza peel, and they will show you first result of this ASIN. Okay, and if you type pizza peel, then this ASIN will be on fifth position. If you will type pizza peel, then this ASIN will be on seventh place. Okay, after that we had to put on control shift plus R. If you don't remember the key, then you have to manually insert row. Okay, you have to add two rows. Okay, there will be the same formula we just already put, equal to count if first row. Okay, comma less than 30 rows, and okay. And this shows that there are almost seven keywords which are ranked on top 30 page. This is in and this seven. This seven shows that there are almost seven keywords which are seven keywords which are ranked on this AC. And we will do that same. We will select it from there, and we will just okay. Okay. So there is another formula which will be equal to this thing divided by, if there are 22 results, we have to minus 1, 2, 3 things because they don't have anything with the keyword. We will simply divide it with almost, we can say that 19. 22 minus 3 is equal to 19. Enter. Okay. And we this shows that this shows that this ASIN is highly relevant, and this ASIN is also relevant. And but the thing is, this the 42% and 47% states that these are our highly competitors. So we need to compare those. You know, we have to compare those ASINs as well. So these ASINs can be used as our ASIN targeting in our campaigns. We can use these keywords in our content creation, and we can use these keywords in our PPC campaigns. So I hope you have liked my keyword research method. If you will practice it a lot, then I can bet that you can do it in 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you. Please, if you love my video, please do like, share, and subscribe.